Hey guys, it's Tony Perry with Novus Home Mortgage. I'm here with Tony Mitadero with eXp Realty. We're at the St. John Community Center on Klein Avenue between 101st Avenue and 109th Avenue.
This is a new building that was donated to the town and was constructed in the summer and opened towards the end of the summer. Tony Perry and I both live in St. John. Tony has how many kids?
Got 2 kids and 1 on the way.
So you're invested in the community, and
Yes.
I've been here for 10 years, selling real estate, getting to know neighbors. So everybody was really excited about the addition of this community center. We were so excited, actually, we threw a community event here where we had a barbecue, we had a band, and all sorts of stuff for the kids. And we noticed that there could be a couple of improvements to just take it up a notch. It was a little bit echoey, and you'll find it's great space for hosting your events. We happen to have contacts in construction, and our contacts in construction are actually into music and in bands. They were a perfect group of people to tell us what we needed to do to the building to deaden the sound some. Come on in and let's see how it's going. There he is right here.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey Eddie, how are you? Eddie Jones from Delmar Construction. Eddie, how is the project going?
Project's going great. As you knew, it's a beautiful facility. There were some challenges with the sound in here, and as we talked about, we're doing 24 by 48 inch sound diffusing panels on the walls, on the ceiling, and also in this upper channel here, which is going to significantly reduce the echo. So these are the sound diffusing panels. We've got these nice ivory finished panels going here, and then we have some black finished panels that'll be going up in the upper channel there.
So you've done some work in installing acoustic treatments in other facilities.
Yeah, I've
before.
worked with concert venues, I've worked with recording studios, so I've got quite a bit of experience with how this works. Obviously, live sound's a little different from a recording studio. There's different needs, different requirements, so we took that into account when we were designing this project.
Well, Tone, we just toured the great St. John Community Center. We wanted to say thank you to the town for allowing us the chance to elevate the experience here a little bit with the acoustic treatments.
Well, I think it's going to make a big difference. And if you haven't been here yet, I hope you look at the calendar, book something for 2026. A lot of towns don't have this, so it's a really great feature for the town. So come on out, check out an event here in 26, and we hope you guys enjoy yourselves.
We'll see you this summer maybe. Second event.
I think so.
All right.